Hello, friends. Before we see each other, let me give you a quick look of my front porch during and after winter. After this mess, we decided to paint the floor and the door. After a good cleaning, we start the next step, painting. For the floor, he used this porch floor and patio oil-based paint. It's easy to use. You can use brush, roller, or spray. It has a beautiful, glossy, and a smooth finish. And for the door, we use this espresso wood stain. We got it at Home Depot. He applied 3 layers and turned out beautifully. The floor is clean, fresh. Do you see that yellow area? We're gonna paint it after in darker gray. That we don't have it right now, and also it's still wet. So we're gonna wait a little bit to apply. But look at the door before and after. I am in love with this color and I am also ready to start to decorate. See you in a minute in person. Hello, welcome to Cook Plant and Decor. And today is a beautiful day. I was waiting for so long for my husband to finish the door, the floor, so he's all done. That's why we are here today to decor our front porch. And today decoration is all about colors. As you see, starting with me. It's spring, will be summer soon. So this is the best time to put some color in our life. Stay tuned. I want to add from long time some Wicker's furniture. I choose these 2 white chairs that give some elegance and style to my front porch. And with the chairs, I also got this round table with glass on top, and it's supported with metal frame, also all-weather wicker with waterproof, and with stands the sun without fading. I found this beautiful baby angel girl at Pennywise, that is a resale store, and it cost me only $5. It gives a special touch to my front porch. I changed the flower for these beautiful blue hydrangeas. I think it's much better with the feeling and the pillows I'm going to add now. My furniture and the 2 pillows, I got it at home online. They delivered it to my house. Everything arrived on time, in good condition, no complaint. my first piece from my front door is this welcome sign that was made by my daughter. And it's beautiful, I love it, and of course it has a special significance to me because she made it with her own hands. These two high chairs, I bought it at Goodwill for $2 both, and I just painted. I'm going to use it to place some of my flowers plants. My first plant is the yellow pansy. It's matched with my welcome sign and the chair, of course. And my second plant is the yellow calla lily. And here is my beautiful wreath. I got it at Burlington, and now you understand why I'm going to change the flowers of my welcome sign for roses. Here is my chic outdoor mat. It's not slippery, have a nice color for the season, and it's elegant. I am also adding this doormat floral that I bought at Amazon. It's beautiful, but I'm not sure yet if I'm going to leave it or not here. We will see. Let me know in your comments below if you think I should leave it or not. Now I'm adding my planters. Here in my sitting area, I am adding my two geranium planters. One is pink, and in the other side, the red geranium. They look beautiful. And close to my front door, I am placing my hydrangea planter. Okay guys, my front porch makeover is complete for now. I am almost sure I will add in few things and moving other things around. That's me guys. But if there is any change, I will let you see. For now, I just want to thank you guys for staying with me to the end. If this video gives you some inspiration and you enjoyed decorating with me, make sure give me a thumbs up. And if you are new here, just passing by, you have my friendly invitation to subscribe to my channel. Leave your comment below, and if you have any question or suggestion, I will appreciate that. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Have a wonderful week.